Omaha Bricks Prime Building Instructions. Omaha Bricks is the world's largest marketplace for custom World War I, World War II, Cold War, and other military building instructions made with Lego bricks. Available only at omahabricks.com.
Hi, and welcome in this new video in which I'm going to show you how to build a micro-scale 2K22 Tunguska. I absolutely butchered that name, totally pronounced it wrong. I know. I just can't do it right. Sorry. Well, that said, it's a very cool anti-aircraft tank of mobile, self-propelled anti-aircraft vehicle, I think. Okay, I'm so not prepared, well prepared for this video, but you don't come here to hear me speak. You come here to see how it's done. Well, let me just tell you, the design is by Eli Johansson. I modified it slightly from his design. You might think it's an improvement, you might think it's getting worse. Well, at least I gave it a little bit of camo, I'm a sucker for camo, and some minor modifications. But if you like to make it all dark bluish gray, it's simple. Just don't use colored parts, use the parts in all dark bluish gray. I don't have much to say in this video, except for, hey, check out video sponsor omahabricks.com. Good building instructions in micro scale, but also minifig scale. Go check them out, omahabricks.com. And next to that, in a couple of seconds, you will see all the parts needed for this build. I added some extra lines with information about the model. Hope you like that one, that little thing I do nowadays. And let me know how you like this video. Give it a like, leave a comment. I always try to react to all comments, and maybe subscribe to my channel. That would be awesome, of course. And for that, I think it's all set today, and you are going to see the parts list in a couple of seconds and then start building. Have a great build, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.